Travel and discovery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to one of the most amazing destinations in Europe, the Black Forest. Whether you're a nature lover, love to explore untouched lands, or are simply looking for a peaceful place to escape the hustle and bustle of life, the Black Forest will captivate you at first sight. You will easily be fascinated by the primeval forests, where dense trees seem to embrace age-old secrets. The peaceful villages, which look like they have just stepped out of the pages, will make you feel lost in another world, full of dreaminess and poetry. The crystal-clear lakes, reflecting the sky, and the verdant mountains will make your heart settle in absolute peace. The Black Forest is also famous for its myriad of thrilling legends, making every step of the way feel like an adventure full of surprises. So, are you ready to discover the great things in the Black Forest? Here are the top 10 must-see places for this famous forest. When you set foot in the Black Forest, the space seems to transform into another world. Covering an area of approximately 2,320 square miles, the forest stands out for its dense pine forests, tree-covered hills, and fresh air. Here, you can walk through winding trails, exploring small villages like stepping out of a fairy tale. The sound of the wind blowing through the trees, the sound of the stream gurgling, and the peace of nature will surely relax your soul. After exploring the majestic beauty of the Black Forest, don't forget to visit Lake Titisee. With an area of about 1.5 square miles, this lake stands out for its crystal-clear water, which beautifully reflects the mountains and blue sky. You can take a boat ride, walk around the lake, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Lakeside cafes will invite you to enjoy a hot cup of coffee while enjoying the view. Lake Titisee is the perfect place to relax, take souvenir photos, and immerse yourself in the beautiful nature. Triberg Falls is the highest waterfall in Germany. Standing at an impressive 535 feet, the cascading water creates dazzling white streaks that captivate every gaze. Like a mystical symphony of nature, you'll hear the gentle roar of the falls. The trail around the waterfall takes you to stunning viewpoints where you can pause and take in the majestic beauty of Triberg Falls. This is undoubtedly a must-visit destination for anyone who loves exploring unspoiled nature. Berchtesgaden National Park, nestled among snow-capped mountains, offers a serene retreat into nature. Spanning an area of 75 square miles, it is a remarkable conservation area featuring towering peaks and ancient forests. Visitors can enjoy hiking, forest trekking, and skiing during the winter months. The park is perfect for outdoor sports and an excellent destination for relaxation and soaking in the majestic natural scenery. Lake Königssee is one of the most famous and beautiful lakes in Germany. Its crystal-clear, mirror-like waters reflect the mountains and lush green forests, creating a breathtakingly serene landscape. This is the perfect destination for those who cherish tranquility and peace. You can rent a small boat to explore the lake, immersing yourself in its serene beauty and natural splendor. Lake Königssee is also an ideal spot for capturing stunning photographs and unwinding amidst the majestic mountains. This is the perfect destination for those who cherish tranquility and peace. You can rent a small boat to explore the lake, immersing yourself in its serene beauty and natural splendor. Lake Königssee is also an ideal spot for capturing stunning photographs and unwinding amidst the majestic mountains. The castle features mystical and ancient architecture with sturdy walls and stunning natural surroundings. From the castle's summit, you'll have the opportunity to enjoy panoramic views of the area and take in the majestic beauty of the mountains and forests. An unforgettable experience. The Ravenna Bridge is located in the Black Forest and was built in the 18th century. The bridge exudes an ancient and romantic beauty, with its misty gray stones and a blanket of moss covering it. Although you can't walk on the bridge, you can stand beneath it, listen to the babbling brook, and enjoy the fresh air. If you visit during Christmas, the bridge is beautifully adorned with sparkling lights and small trees, creating a magical and colorful scene. This is an excellent destination to enjoy the tranquility and natural beauty of the area. Gengenbach is a charming town in the western part of the Black Forest, known for its ancient wooden houses and cobblestone streets. The town offers a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere, making it the perfect place to explore local culture. Gengenbach transforms into a fairy tale village with sparkling Christmas markets and beautifully decorated streets, creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere during Christmas. Gengenbach is the perfect destination to enjoy local delicacies and immerse yourself in the festive spirit. Mainau, also known as the Island of Flowers, is located on Lake Constance and is famous for its vibrant flower gardens that bloom year-round. With various flowers such as tulips, hydrangeas, roses, and countless other species, Mainau is the perfect destination for nature lovers seeking relaxation in a stunning floral paradise. You can stroll through the gardens, admire the picturesque scenery, and enjoy the fresh air while experiencing a sense of absolute tranquility in the beautiful natural surroundings. Schiltach is one of the most beautiful villages in the Black Forest, with its charming wooden houses and a crystal-clear river flowing through the heart of the village. The village embodies the unique beauty of the Schwarzwald region, featuring ancient cobblestone streets and stunning scenery. Here, you can experience peace and enjoy the fresh air. It is the perfect place to learn about the simple life of the locals. Explore traditional customs and culture, and appreciate the magnificent, untouched natural beauty. The Black Forest is a perfect destination for nature lovers and explorers. The pristine landscapes, peaceful boat rides on serene lakes, and the charm of ancient villages will leave you with unforgettable memories. If you're looking for a place to relax and experience something new, the Black Forest is a must-visit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave your questions or comments in the section below. Wishing you extraordinary adventures, and see you in the next video.